2, 3, 4, 5.
Welcome. We are so excited that you're all here to join us for the official ribbon cutting of Alameda International.
We're thrilled to be here today as we celebrate the official grand opening of Alameda International and welcome you all to this amazing and beautiful space. These upgrades symbolize our prioritization of fostering an environment that inspires excellence, innovation, and a true sense of belonging for our students and our staff.
To our Alameda will be forever true.
You all are blessed with an amazing facility. This, I hope, is just a place where all of you will really have wonderful, wonderful memories, and you will soar.
Today represents a dream come true. Thanks to Jeffco voters, the bond passed and the building of a dream began. To Alameda International staff, and this is where I get emotional, thank you for your patience and a bit of teasing as we made the dream, as we made the dream a reality. I am honored to work beside you. Stephanie Gonzalez and Jackson Davis are going to join me for the cutting of the ribbon. They were student representatives on the design team. A dream come true.